Hi everybody, it's me, Mary Kay with Mary Kay's Artful Journey. I know, I'm supposed to do something with watercolor, but you know what? I found this really cool magazine, Alaska, and I am just gonna dissect it. So 15 minutes of dissection. I found June is a good one. And we'll just throw that over there. And I know my desk is a mess. I'm working on so many projects right now. And, ooh, look. So these numbers are really good. So that's something. And I got my timer on so that I know when 15 seconds is up. Seconds. Minutes. How about minutes? 15 minutes. So I'm going to save that. I'm just going to toss it over the side there. Oh, look at that. That's a cool one of the crow. We're going to take the crow. Oh my gosh. I had coffee. My hands are shaking. Another good number. I'll just cut that out there. Actually, I'm going to set these over here. I have like a little paper thing I'm setting them on so they don't fall onto the floor. And there's a tent there. I don't like any of those. I like the 70 though. That was a good picture, but I just cut it. So it was a like a title page picture. So I went to my chiropractor and they had magazines. And so I asked them, I said, can I take the magazine? So now I could cut out that, but I'm not ready to. So I'm just going to leave it in there. Right now I'm just looking for like nature type stuff. Ooh, look at that. Alaska Exposed, it says. Ooh, why did they do it in the middle of the page? It's like, it's so, that would be a nice one if it wasn't in the middle of the page. Well, this is a nice one. It has the bear there. But it's a little big. Now, I gotta move my receipts. Well, that boat one is good. Oh, look, there's a mountain. And even, you know, commercials or these type are really good. So how's everybody doing? Have you noticed that I changed my name again? I just can't get it right. I just didn't want it to be, see, now that's a good one. I didn't want it to be Mary Kay Cosmetics. I don't want people, you know, unless they're really into making journals and art. And they're really into my channel. I guess I can't be, choosers can't be picky, right? I don't know. But people come onto my channel and then go off because it's not what they're looking for. They're looking for, you know, this is kind of cool. Over. I didn't want to say that one. So, you know, I think they're looking more for somebody who's a makeup artist. And that's not my deal. I'm scrapbook. You know, oh, that's kind of cool, you know, like for a paper doll. This is pretty. Oh, look at the bears. Maybe I'll cut out the bears. You know what? I'll just tear this page out and then I'll cut it out later. So I'll just dissect the page. And that's kind of pretty. But I'm going to go past it. Because I haven't really looked at this magazine. Oh, that's sad. And, you know, I went to the thrift store one time and I found a picture book full of Alaska mountains. Ooh, that's a pretty wolf. I'm going to take that one. I like that wolf. That's pretty. That would be pretty. Oh, more wolves. Oh, I'm tearing these pages out. I'm just going to set the scissors down because I'm just tearing the pages out. Because that's really cool. And bears. Oh. Oh. Cool. Oh, even this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Oh, look at this one. Cut the bears out without the people. What's on the other side? No. I like the bears and the wolves. Oh yeah, I watch a show where they collect these bulbs. There's fish, buoys, backcountry blenders, 3 little pigs. The numbers are cool. You know, any of these numbers would be good. I was hoping they would have like penguins or something like that. But I guess that's it for that one. So and then I have this second one. Let's just kind of, we'll just look through it. There's more I want to get out of that one, but I'll just save it for later. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna tear it. Tear it out. See, if you were looking for makeup, you'd see fish. I want to make a fish journal. See, now I'm gonna do that one too. So I'm gonna take this because I do want to make a fish journal. That could be a cool cover. So my new name for my thing is MK's. No, MK's Artful Journey. I shortened it. Now those are kind of a collage of cool pictures. I'll come back to those. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Is that krill or salmon? Cool. Before the strike. All right, this is catchy. Cool. Look at that picture. That's really cool for a journal page. I think I want to take that one. That's cool. So MK's Artful Journey. Make it easier. I do want to change it eventually to something else totally off that does not have MK in it. But but maybe I'll have to just create a whole new channel. I don't know. We'll see. Wait till I get to 1,000 subscribers, which is kind of hard when I'm working every single day and exhausted by the time I get home, unfortunately. So I can only really do a video on the weekend, and if that, I'm kind of still I like on the weekends I only get to what do I do on the weekends? On the weekends I do my errands because, you know, that's the only time I have. And oh, that's a good one. The thrill of the hunt. Ooh, but you can't really see his fishing pole. Oop. My little timer keeps wanting to. Oh, look at that one. So cool. I'm just looking now. I'm not going to tear any more pages out. No, I can't get them apart. That's cool. Can't really see his fishing pole though. Ooh, I like that boat. Okay, oh, I gotta do it. Maybe the postcard. Who knows? Oh, now this one, you can see the fishing pole. All right, one more. Ooh, isn't that cool looking? Oh, I wouldn't mind going fishing. I like going fishing. All right, so now there's just boats. Boats, boats. 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 Tournaments. I skipped a page here. Big guys. Fish guys. Oh. That's kind of cool. This is cool. That's kind of cool if it didn't have all of this on there. Now all the boats you can buy. Commercial. Oh. Oh, anyways. All right. Oh, I like that on the front. Look at its poor eye. Anyways. Sorry if you, hope you didn't see that. Anyways, so what I've been working on recently, I only have like 3 minutes, so I'm going to show you this really quick, is I'm doing, it's called Sketchbook Artist something or other. It's like a training, so it's a challenge type thing. So we did watercolors. And, okay, and, oh, and this was also watercolors and trying to find the different color, like mixing colors. And then more mixing of colors. Allow myself to create out of the box. More mixing colors. And then we were supposed to create this and then paint it with the colors that we created. And these are strawberries, by the way, but I decided to make some with faces. And it says, embellish your day. And then that's a butterfly. I was going to say flower. And here's a flower that I started to do. And then here's a bunch of flowers I did. And that was with markers, it looks like. Markers and paint. And then a little multimedia. And then a picture of my son. And a bird. Another bird. Another bird, more drastic. And then the painted bird. And oh, here, I'll show you that. Cool. It's a royal turn. As opposed to a peasant turn. Sorry. And then there's this one. Oh, sorry. Multimedia. And this one is your inner child drawing like clouds and stuff. And then this is drawing an egg and doing like a handshake. So this guy has a new book out. And then this one is a collage and doing your inner child and then a little quote with it. Have a heart of gold. You know, our time is up. I only have 55 seconds left. So I'll see you on the next video and maybe I'll be showing you some watercolors. Have a blessed day. Bye.